Kitchen. I'm Chef Aileen and this is
Chef Ian, and also today we have a
special guest.
Chef Alexander.
Yay! And for those of you that are new to our kitchen, we hope to be part of our world into your kitchen.
So now the kitchen was.
Wait, we forgot. What are we making today?
What are you guys making today?
Chocolate cookies.
Yes,
Chocolate
chip
sugar-free cookies. And
Yay!
They're delicious. So now the kitchen rules. Make sure you wash your hands, your work area is clean, you have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision because you can burn yourself and that's bad. But the most important rule of the kitchen is Well, that's not correct, so let's try it again. The most important rule of the kitchen is sit the bus first. Bam! So now let's get cooking. Ingredients. We're gonna need 2 eggs, butter, dairy-free. Look, it's so easy now. You don't have to make a mess.
Wow.
Gluten-free flour.
Brown sugar, sugar-free chocolate chips, and white sugar. And then we're gonna need salt,
Baking
soda, and vanilla. Did you make this baking?
Let's get to it.
Brown sugar. That one. And white sugar.
So we have our brown sugar and our white sugar.
And then we have our
Butter. Not our brother.
You can put your brother inside too.
No. We're gonna cream our butter.
We're gonna cream our brother.
Did you lock the bowl in?
Wow.
Let Alexander take
Yes.
it on. Chef Alexander.
Turn it around.
So we're gonna wait for it to get kind of smooth.
But
It's
two
in-
more.
Yeah, it's in 2. Number 2.
And for 2 minutes.
Yeah. 2.
Noodle. I'm gonna clean my butter now. I don't fit in though. What are you talking about?
I don't know. Okay, so does it look good?
Can you still hear the sugar?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not time yet.
I mean, it
You
won't
can
be
hear it
good,
going.
but- You hear like a dead It's dancing. It's like dancing.
He's just like, what is he doing?
I'm the one that started dancing.
Okay, give me the special. I got it. Yes. Okay, ready to scrape the edges, Alexander?
We have to stop it first. All the way, all the way. There you
We
go.
have to unlock
Lift it. Good job.
Like this.
Yes, good job.
Okay, so now
Now we're gonna put it to
2.
two.
okay.
That's two.
Now we're gonna pour our salt and our baking soda.
And then we're gonna let it
Mix for another 2 minutes.
And then we're gonna pour our vanilla.
Okay.
Wait, our joke.
Our joke?
What do you call a pig that knows Hawaii?
Do you know?
Punching bag?
No.
Aileen, do you know?
Pork chop. Yes. Yes, I got it correct. Yes. Pork chop.
Oh,
Pork
what
chop.
do you call a snowman in the desert?
Ice cream.
Popsicle.
It's a snowman in the desert. How is it gonna be a pop? Cactus? No.
A cactus.
Did you guys give up?
Yes.
Yes.
I know.
Puddle.
It melts when it's hot.
It looks like 2 eyeballs.
And then this smiley face. I have a joke for that. What do people that make clocks do every single day?
Clocks. Make clocks?
They make faces everything?
Yes.
Ian, what you just told me.
Okay, now let's pour our vanilla.
So you're gonna pour the eggs in there.
Because they land on their feet.
Wait, what? They land on their feet? Are they gonna land into the flour?
Maybe.
And make an explosion?
Maybe.
One hen, they have 4 arms and legs.
So they have 8 legs?
No.
They're aliens.
No, they have 2 legs and 2 hands.
Oh, okay. So
So-
they have 4.
For that, what makes them such a good bakers? Why do
They have extra
Why
hands?
do they have hands for what?
Do you know, Alexander? Why?
No.
They have hands. What for? To eat?
Do you know?
To lick?
Do you know why they have it? Because
No.
they make everything from scratch.
Oh, they scratched us.
No, the best joke I've ever heard. So well, eyeballs.
What?
Good job.
That's a lot of eggs.
Okay. So now we're gonna pour our flour,
Wow.
scoop by scoop, because we don't want it to explode. And then we're gonna have our faces all white. Flour. And we're gonna start sneezing like crazy.
Like that.
Ooh, I have a good joke for this one.
What did the cupcake say to the cupcake when they're just out of the pan?
3. We smell good?
No.
Oh, a talking cupcake. Oh, yeah. Talking cupcake. We should change the cupcakes to cookies, because we're making cookies.
Yes.
Cookies.
Pour one more. Ian, and then get ready so you can change the hook.
To Captain.
Okay, stop the...
What?
Good job, Alexander.
So,
So
we
now-
scraped the edges, and now
we're gonna pour the whole thing. Oh, so I have a joke. What do you call cheese that's not yours?
I love cheese, but
Pour it.
Oh wow. What do you call it?
A nacho that is not your cheese?
No. You know?
I'm confused.
What is it? Tell me. Actually, give up.
Um,
Do you know?
cheese string?
No. Do you give up?
Yeah.
Yes.
Nacho cheese.
Oh, because it's not yours.
Ian.
Nacho cheese.
Oh. And then
And then we're gonna put
Put
the
it in
top.
number 2. Yes, so we're just gonna mix it for 2 minutes and then add our chocolate chips.
Wow, that's a lot. Wow. Holy wow.
And make sure you scrape the edges.
So now we're gonna pour our.
Chocolate chips.
What do you call a seasick turkey? Seasick turkey. Like
Gobble.
A seasick?
Like they're on a. Are they gobble gobble? A bobble gobble. Ooh, is that what I said? Our dough is ready, but we just need to put the chocolate chips, make our cookies, and then put
Yes.
and boom.
And eat them.
One was on the blender for second. On the captain hood.
Oh.
blender.
Did you lock it?
No.
Whoa, it's done. It's done. Let's keep putting the chocolate chips.
Just keep putting it up. Ian, what are you doing?
He's eating them.
Do we need more chocolate? Ian, stop. Stop eating the chocolate chips. Do you want me to get more chocolate chips out?
No, those were for Ian's. I think you need to stop it, Ian.
Yeah,
Now-
now we're gonna pour open.
All the chocolate. And Ian and Alexander are gonna mix it up together.
Oh, I think Ian is just gonna eat everything.
I don't think.
I'll hold it, Ian. You
Yeah.
help.
Why don't you just pour it out so we could do it?
Wow.
Yeah, that would be great.
Okay, we're gonna pour it out super quick.
Wow.
Oh no! Oh, the chocolates! Get the chocolate first.
Making a go there already.
You're making cookies already? Here, put your cookies here.
Put the cookie. You have to make it in a circle. Put all the chocolate. No, make a hole. Like roll.
Put your cookie in there, Ian.
Hole. Put chocolate.
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
Get a piece over here. Oh, there's so much chocolate everywhere.
Ian made a perfect cookie.
So now we're gonna bake our cookies at 350 degrees in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. It depends if you want them soft.
Soft.
If
If you want them soft, 10 minutes. If you want them crunchy, 15 minutes.
we want them soft.
Extra crunchy?
Yep.
If you want them extra crunchy, let your dad burn them.
Oh wow. Last time we were gone, we told him to wash them. When we came back, they were black.
Okay, let's bake them.
So now let's taste them.
Can I see how they look?
They're amazing.
Mmm, yummy. Can we eat one? Oh, you finally say yes. Okay. Later.
They're so good. These are the ones that we made that are
10 minutes.
10 minutes. So they're soft. They're not crunchy.
So
Enjoy. Hope you guys love this amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. Wait, Mama, did you eat one? Who ate one?
Ooh, it's a mystery.
And Mama.
mine.
Okay, so where are you going?
So do you want to add something? Do you want to add something? I don't think so. Let's go play.
So